Hello everyone, welcome back to Azure Lane. Something I kind of been... It's not... what the heck? Okay. Patch notes, oh yeah, the bikini stuff or whatever. Oh, build. Oh yeah, I had something building order. Oh! Finish all, oh, okay, I forgot I had a bunch of... Alright, let's see here, let's see what we have, huh? Yeah, so anyways, welcome back to Azure Lanes. If you're drinking Dagger 20 here. Oh, fudge! Is this one of the news ones? Oh my goodness, what a start! Confirm. Okay. Oh, hello, Chicago. I think we've got. Oh. Oh, hello! Oh my goodness gracious! Yes, lock that ship. Chicago. Hey, look, it's Long Island. Lexington. Pensacola. Oh, what a... Holy... Oh my. How many? I have 5. Let's build. You know what? Screw it, let's build. Yeah, sorry. It's been a very hot minute. There was, of course, you know, Azure Lane is a bunch of updates. And, I don't know what any of them are. I still... Oh my good grief. Do I have any... Oh, wait, hold on. I'll show that. What is this? Urgent? Sure, take that. Is there... Wait, hold on. HQ is probably... Dorm, here we go. That's probably... Let's give him food. Sorry, this is... Oh, good. Yeah, I decorated the room a little bit, as you can see. Oh, do I have... Oh, collect all that. Yeah, sorry, it's just, I have some... Freaking oil, man. Oh, wait, no, I have 2. Oh, collect all. Just, 2. I have more... Oh, my goodness, I have more things to... Yeah, so... Anyways. Yeah, let's once again go... Wait a minute, hold on. Should I... Oh, wait a minute, hold on. I should probably, dock. Oh, deport. Sir. Do I have any... gear... Craft? I don't know. I do have PPVP on lock. Our exercise is it called? Wait, war archives. Hold on, that's not that. Collect. Oh, did I collect it? Collect. I have collected data key. Cool, I guess. Oh goodness, how do I look at my... Wait, formations! This is... Oh yeah, Hornet. Oh, goodness, okay, I remember who I had who... Oh yeah, I had stats and stuff. Oh, I just forgot. I didn't realize her stats are... I am such an idiot. I am stupid. Oh yeah, let's go on to 2-4, I guess. Let's get right into it. Do I want to get to the... Actually, do I want to begin the new ships in action? No. Actually, we'll just go with this. Go with the huge. Oh yeah, it was a switch and stuff. Yeah, sorry, this is... Anyway, it's just remembering. I think that looks a little... Oh, ambush! Evade! Evade! Oh yeah, also cost oil to find. Yeah, sorry, this has been a hot... Ooh, new loading screens. Sweet. Adorable little screens. Also, it's really hot in here. Oh, good grief, yes. Let's get right into the action where we dodge ships and blow them up as well. Oh, this.
敵の皆様、次は少々痛くなりますよ。
Booty sticks. Oh, it's dodge. Yes, we are once again added the game with the story, going with the thing or whatever. Yes, can you die, please? Oh, wait, that's done. Boom, got it. Alright, oh. And oh wait, is I gonna get both of them, please? Yes. I can get both of them as well. Go to the sea! Boom! Oh wait, is there, oh probably. Oh wait, this is probably not the fun. Or wait, no, this is not. Can you please die? Like, good lord, can you die? Thank you. For crying out loud. No casualties. Yay. And more. Oh my god, Indianapolis! Come on, man! Freaking Indianapolis over here, not getting any level ups. Like always. I just returned to form, I guess. Let's do this one as well. Because, you know, why not? Get a little bit of a warm up. It's been a hot minute. It's been like a couple months, I think it is. Yeah, it is, especially with this whole thing going on right now. Have I uploaded this? Yeah, I haven't uploaded this since during that whole shenanigans. Oh yeah, oh goodness. Oh, hi. Oh, ow, I purposely went into that one. Thank you, Lord. Anyways, yeah, I've been just doing a lot of things recently, so I've been uploading, also, yeah, this is a lot of personal stuff. Just a lot of crap, a lot of drama happened recently. It was, not a good time. I was feeling cute though. I blew up the Earth. For anyone that was on the Earth, I'm terribly sorry that it's blown up. But don't worry. I'm sure it's no worse than what we're thinking right now. Oh wow, okay, at least I hit her. Oh goodness. Let's actually not get. Oh my goodness, can I please? Good lord, woman, could you die? I forgot how. Good grief, people take a hit, take a beating in this game. Good grief. Oh goodness gracious, why is she on fire? Is she on fire? I am terrible with commentary. It's been a hot minute. If I can turn on. Oh wait a minute. Did I get? Oh, I gotta do shift. Bulldog. That was actually a good thing, but wait. I'm an adult. Please don't judge me by my looks. I hope you aren't an adult who. Oh, good lord. Belfast. Being the MPP once more. I'm gonna reload my ammo. Airstrike. Ow! I'm gonna switch. Take out this bat. Wait a minute. Should I? Actually, I'm gonna take out that bad boy. I don't know, but it's my. Oh, good lord. Their backs must be in pain. We've seen this from each other before. Oh, good grief. There. Oh, ow. Wow, that ship got destroyed. Oh, lag. In-game lag. Oh boy. My favorite. Die, thank you. Oh, ow. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, I guess I should probably explain my little bit of absence. I mean, I don't know if anyone really cares, to be quite honest. I mean, obviously I've been doing a lot of tournaments. I recently won a tournament. I actually stated multiple times in the, one of the most recent Star Wars videos that I've posted. Yeah, I've been, oh goodness gracious, it's been a, yeah, it's been quite a trip since that whole, thing happened, I will say, on Ruby AA's. That was like a great. I mean, obviously I got Ice Flower. I know I'm talking about Ruby AA while in the Azure Lane video, but like, I don't know, I mean, that's just what happened, and that was really easy. Good grief. I mean, this is kind of what just happens. Lexington again! That looks different than the other Lexus. Am I crazy? 0 XP! What the what? She maxed out or something? Is that what I'm to gather? Oh, and there's the final boss. I'm gonna take out that ship right there with the other one, so that way I have plenty of ammo for the other one. Alrighty, let's go. I see this. Oh, okay. This is the same screenshots for some odd reason. I don't know if that's just a coincidence, since I'm in the second area chapter thing. And also, a thing I never mentioned, I write fanfiction. I've been on caffeine. Also another related thing. Because I posted in the, I usually post in the description. I never really mentioned it ever. I should, I don't know. Ow, I just took a, wow, I just took a heck of a hit. Yeah, well, it's actually not too bad of a mission to come back to after so long. It's actually. Oh, good grief. Can I? Oh, sweet! Can I get both of them in the one shot? Is that possible? Probably not. Oh, sweet! I did! I did the impossible, I guess. I've also seen how crazy it gets later on in this game. Good grief. Oh! Oh. Ow. Can I please just... Can I kill you, please? Good grief. Come on. Oh my good lord! Did you die? Sorry, I'm just... Oh, okay, last ship, yeah, anyways. After, yeah, so I write fanfiction, that thing I just never mentioned, post in the description, never really say anything else about it. So that's a thing, that is a thing. Yes, let's go to the boss. Is that gonna give my way? Sweet. Alright. Yeah, so, yeah, we're already at the, we're already at the, thing. At the boss. But of course, that was actually, how long was that? 12 minutes, oh, that's actually pretty fast. All things considering. Yeah, that's the thing, I also have got Author once recently, so that was pretty fun. Yeah, I don't really play this game on my own time. I usually just kind of record it, play it a little bit. I kind of wanted to enjoy the ride with me. Oh, good lord! That's so many. Oh my good grief! Why is there so many women? I shouldn't be yelling at 12 a.m. Oh, it's actually 11 o'clock. Oh, I'm not paying attention to that. Oh, that's cool. I always do that. I always just like... I shouldn't be. I always just yell in the middle of like... That's how I am, man. Oh, emergency status. Let's see what the emergency status is. Oh, it's right into it. Can I? Sweet. You can just die. Oh, right. They have a crap ton of health. But yes. Oh, ow. Go, go, go. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh, look at this. This is a relatively tame chapter. I don't know if this is one of the easier ones. I'm unaware. I'm assuming the silver means resistant or something. Oh, it's critical. Now die! Put it in the Tennessee! Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't. Oh, goodness. Okay, long arm is fine. She is fine. Everything is fine. Why is she not dying? Oh, good lord, she has a lot of health. And as soon as I say that, she dies. Cool. No casualty. What? Did I lose a ship? Oh, the ship. Oh, am I maxed out on that? Oh, okay, so I'm assuming I'm maxed out on that. Fudge. Oh, you can have it. I get that. Hey, wait a minute, what the heck? What is that? I don't know. Yeah, so. Man, that. Oh! Gotta do it. Oh, I gotta do this again. Actually, what's the status of my, balls? How do I check? Import? Nope. Fuck, why do I always forget about those? Here we go.
一人は慣れた
Wait a minute, how does one... can I upgrade this? Wait a minute, is that going to... Oh, that's probably going to... That, you know, that's... you know what, I'm sure that's fine. Okay.
一人は慣れたけど指揮官となら
Something's going to happen. Something going... Wait, something... Well, she's maxed out currently, I guess. How do I... she's maxed out. I thought they go... I could have sworn they go up to like 100 and something. Am I insane? Oh, goodness gracious, I'm probably insane. What's this? Oh goodness, am I gonna be able to go to battle with her in the training? I assume so. Cool. Coolio! Oh goodness, let's take out this ship first. The boss is going to... Wait a minute, am I the... You know... Oh wait, this is the... You know what, screw it. Why not? Let's go with this ship this time. Oh, what is... Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Goodness. That's because it's kind of been up recently, anything else? I don't know if there's anything else of characters. Oh, we did, however, on the Storm, because the Storm has the, well, the, you know, sound economies and whatnot, that is. Yeah. This always 24 minutes. I would record another video for Storm channel for my first, exercise, probably post it on there. I don't know, I don't want this to be more of the story-based stuff. Could you die? Doc, I thank you for dying. Never come back. And Jesus loves you. This is just... Wait, what the heck? Is that going to... No, it's not. Oh, thank the Lord. Alright, let's go ahead and take out that ship right there, because that's going to be a problem. What? Ambush? Evade! I'm in action! Balls. Well, this is the first invade. We shall see how this goes. Oh, lag. In-game lag. Oh, goodness. Once I assume this waste oil, I think it's... I don't know. I assume this waste oil, waste ammo as well. Oh goodness, ammo. Oh goodness, if you give like a 3, I think it's a 3. Yeah, 3 and above. Was it 3 and above or 4 and above? 4 and above, you give like a boost, like because you can't go in with like 0 ammo, but like it's going to not. Oh wait, why did I didn't hold that. I'm an idiot. Oh, I hit him anyway, so let's hit that. Would you die? Thank you for dying. Never come back. I missed. Or it missed. I dodged. Did I dodge? No, I... Okay, wait a minute, hold on. Did I... Please tell me I dodged that. Oh, did I dodge? Oh, wait, oh, goodness, this is... Oh, good grief. You know, I always forget to look at the stats of my ships. I never bother with that because I'm just... I don't know, I'm just not... I don't know, that. I don't believe it. Could you die? Good grief, man. Like, good grief. And also, I love how they have actual just ships while they have, like, battleships as ladies. That's kind of funny. Anyway, can we, oh, it gives me XP. Rankings now unlocked. What? Are you kidding me? Oh, I got my old back, I guess. What the heck, dude? 20 minutes? Did that seriously? Where's ranking? Oh, thank the Lord. Goodness gracious, I was about to say. It's like, why would it do that? Oh, that's some thighs you have there. Oh, good Lord. I'm going to jail. I don't remember how many ships until, like, the boss. Oh, light screen. Thank you. Basket. Yep. Basket. He'll skip. Fail fast. Fail fast. That's probably what it actually said. Ah! Look at this. I think I did different shit last. I don't. I just do things. Like, look, I'm here to play as anime girls as ships and blow up other anime girls as ships. I mean, you know, that's what I do. I'm just here for the explosions. No, just everything else is just a bonus, right? It's a bonus. Whee! Ooh. Yeah, that has a lot more blast processing. You know, splash damage. A lot more splash damage than it looks. And quite honest. Okay, could you die? And thank you. And I'm just gonna kill you with Tennessee. I nearly killed you with Tennessee. Nearly. Why is my ship on fire? Why is everything on fire? Why is everything on fire? Oh wait, a beagle. Okay, I have a beagle. That does not look like a dog, but I am not judging. Ambush, can I avoid this one as well? Sweet. Yeah, I didn't know it was. I don't know stuff about that one. Why is my ship going stuck at level 70? I thought you were like 100 and stuff. Maybe it's an account thing. Maybe that's what it is. Like, you develop your account. I've also heard the exercise is actually the best way to get experience with these ships. I mean, of course, I haven't touched it since I bought it. I don't know if did I even say we look at it? I don't remember. Did I even? I probably did. I'll be stupid. Stupid. Oh, did you die in 2018 or 2020? Sorry, this is. Yeah, 2018 was a good year. I think it was virus free as well. No, we'll just go in like this. It's fine. Look, it's fine. We're all fine. This is fine. That is also fine. But good grief, you know, you gotta, you know, like, you know, you people be like boobies, but you know, big boobies hurt the back. Right? The good Lord. Yeah, oh. Blow up the ship. That must be really weird. To see, like, I don't know. Oh, good. Oh, yeah, that's right. This is a lot of ladies. A lot of cat ladies. Oh, there's a lot of cat ladies. Oh, good lord. This is not having a cat. Oh, good grief. There's so much explosions. Is this a Michael Bay film? Oh, good lord. I hope not. Oh, goody grief. Everything just died. Warning. Warning. Yeah, baby. Let's do it. Oh, actually, out of the way of the red zone. And also, let's use music. Yeah, this is, the ship. I don't remember what it's called. Wait, hold on. It's Sudoku. Flagship. Oh, wait, do I have to destroy? Wait a minute, hold on. Do I need to destroy the flagship? Oh, that's because is that the same logic as, like, or oh, it's the same name still. Now, in the name of Tennessee, I blow you up. Boom! And everyone lived. Sweet. So, and that was it. It's how much? 26 minutes. That's not too bad. Where does one go to commissions? Because why is there all these commissions building it? I don't have the requirements of that ship, apparently. Okay, so we just go ahead and do an exercise. Do we? No, we can't do dailies, because dailies is like... Yeah. What's my commander level last? 16. Hey, what the heck? Oh, that's a 1. Collected. How does one collect? I don't know what I got, but I got something. Rawr. Anyways. You know, let's go ahead and just do exercises while we're at it. Let's see how this goes. Oh. Oh. Oh, lordy. Oh, good grief, I have a lot of Chicago. Oh. Oh, good grief, I have a lot of these things. Belfast, Indianapolis. Where's the other part of this thing? Indianapolis. Wait, what? Actually, oh, no, I see. Okay, I see the let's put her in. Ladder. Oh, over here. How does one, Whoa. Wait, what the heck? Wait, what? I just pick him? Oh, wait, I pick someone and die? Oh, actually, you know what? We'll say that for another video, honestly. Because that seems like a whole lot of mess I don't want to get into. Oh, wait. Story stuff. You know, let's read this. Hornet, I'm receiving a decrypted telegraph. AF is short on the water. Should the plan this looks like something big took our bait. Even those cunning fox cannot hide its tail, hee hee. Now we have confirmed AF is indeed Midway. We should move out immediately. But Yoketown, your injuries. Don't worry, the maintenance crew are working around the clock for 3 days to bring me back to shape. They are so reliable. That is Yoketown. That's just probably the most unfitting voice for a hero. I am so sorry. Enterprise, how about you? If you get hurt again because of me, the vessel will never hear the end of it. Fine. Considering it's not every day that 3 of us get to fight together, we have to show. Gotta show off the power of Yoketown class. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. For freedom and the glory of the Eagle Union. Union Task Force 1617 sorting. Chapter 3. 5 minutes of fate. And that's what we'll end it for now. Thank you all so much for watching. Oh, wait. Actually, let's... Wait a second. Let's launch this before we go. That is disappointing. Anyways. Thank you all so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. When we go to help Midway, I guess. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one.